So as you can see in the question here, PQ is given, but as we know what we want, so we want EQ. That is not there. So first we have to find EQ. So how we will find EQ? Let us see over there that how we can find EQ. So all of you just look at here that PQ is made up of PE plus EQ. So here we can write by ourselves that EQ is equals to PQ minus that part, that is PE. So what is the value of PQ? So that is 1.28. And what is the value of PE? That is 0.18. So here when we are subtracting, we are getting 1.1 centimeter. And that is the value of EQ. Now whenever we will want, we will use this FR. So as we know that FR, if you want FR, it is made up of PR minus PF. So here we will write that 2.56 minus 0.36. So our answer for that will be 2.2. centimeter. And that is our answer for FR. So here we got our two values. As you know, now we can say that this is parallel to this thing. So we can write a ratio means PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. Then we will compare that these lines are parallel or not. Now we will begin our process. As you can see over here, now here we are beginning our process. So as you know what is the value of EQ and what is the value of FR. So now here we can write that if we are finding PE upon EQ, so that will be equals to, so from question we will write it is 0.18 and EQ we just found that is 1.1. If you are removing decimal point, it will become 18 upon 110. We will keep this as it is. We don't want to reduce because in the next figure, as we are finding this PF upon FR, so if we are finding that PF upon FR, so that will be equals to 0.36. And as you know that what is the value of FR, so that will be 2.2. So if you are removing decimal point, it will become 36 upon 220. So here we will reduce like that it can become 18 to the and this will become 110. So on the place of this we will write 18 upon 110. So here you can see this PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. So in the next page we will write that PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. Therefore, line EF is parallel to QR. That is the end of our question.